Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can pin a specific app to prevent other user from accessing other apps on your phone. So let's say that your friends or maybe your kids are borrowing your phone, and you don't want them to open any other apps that you are using. For example, you only want to allow them using YouTube or maybe Chrome, and you don't want them to open any other apps. You can just pin the apps that you want them to open. So let's just click on the settings, and in here you can just click on search, add the settings and type on pin, and after that you'll find the app pinning options, or maybe pin screen, or it depends on your phone. So just click on the app pinning in here. You can see that it's currently off. Let's just enable it first. So in here, app pinning allows you to keep the current app in view until you unpin it. This feature can be used, for example, to let a trusted friend play a specific game. So if you want them to only open the game, you can use this feature. So just click on this to turn it on. And when an app is pinned, the personal data may be accessible, such as contacts and email content. Pinned apps may open other apps. And when a page is pinned, no actions are allowed on that app screen. Only use app pinning with the people you trust. So let's click on OK. And here you can ask for pin before unpinning. And when an app is pinned, the pin app may open. Okay, so this is the one that I explained before. And to use the app pinning, you can just turn on the app pinning first, and then open overview and tap the app icon at the top of the screen, then tap pin. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.